Could you believe that I am not real? Could you believe that I am actually a talking photo? Most creators are tired of running into the same limitation that appears in almost every AI talking avatar generator.
Many of these tools only allow you to create short clips that stop around 15 seconds, and the avatars often look stiff, robotic, or unnatural. Their gestures rarely match their words, and the entire animation feels restricted.
But imagine an AI avatar that gestures flawlessly like a real human, moves naturally, and speaks so convincingly that you would never guess it was generated by AI. That is exactly what this new tool delivers.
I am about to show you a powerful AI platform that allows you to create realistic talking AI avatars with perfect lip sync and voice. With this tool, you can generate more than 5 minutes of continuous talking footage using a single still image, a simple photo, or even a short video. One prompt, one generation, smooth and effortless. And the best part is that you can sign up for free and test this tool instantly without inputting any credit card information. This tool is perfect for anyone who wants to create faceless content, build faceless automation systems, or simply avoid showing their face on camera. It is also ideal for camera-shy people who feel uncomfortable recording themselves, as well as UGC creators who want to clone their face and voice to build their own AI twin. The platform I am talking about is Magic Hour AI. It combines so many advanced features that it feels like having a complete creative studio in one place. It is built for creators who want to move fast, produce high-quality work, and stop jumping between multiple apps just to get one project done. With Magic Hour AI, you can produce high-quality talking photos, images, and videos with accurate lip sync in just a few minutes, and everything is organized inside a smooth and intuitive dashboard. The workflow feels simple from the moment you log in, whether you are creating solo or collaborating with others, and the final output looks polished enough for any social platform or professional client. One of the most impressive parts is that you can begin using the platform at no cost, which gives you the freedom to experiment and test different ideas without stressing about payments. From the moment you land on the homepage, you will notice how clean the layout is. The section that immediately stands out is the AI video panel. Once you open the menu, you will see an entire collection of powerful features that creators normally access through paid tools. Inside this area, you will find face swap video, lip sync, video-to-video generation, image-to-video generation, and even full text-to-video generation. What makes it even better is that most of these features are available for free, which gives you more room to create without limits. Now, let us take a look at the AI Image tab. This section offers a variety of image generation tools and creative presets that you can explore at no additional cost. Whether you are trying to design characters, create product visuals, generate aesthetic photos, or produce digital artwork, Magic Hour allows you to experiment freely and push your creativity as far as you need. If we move over to the AI audio section, the possibilities expand even further. You can build custom voices, generate audio clips, and enhance your content in ways that would typically require a separate subscription. Here, you can try everything without spending anything until you are ready. I will leave the link to Magic Hour AI in the video description so you can check it out for yourself. Simply sign up for a free account. Now let me show you how to use this platform to create long-form, realistic talking AI avatars for your faceless content on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Click on the Create button at the top right corner and you will be taken directly into your personal dashboard. This is the main workspace where everything is organized. You will see all the available AI tools arranged clearly, along with a library of templates you can explore or recreate if you want a faster workflow. From this dashboard, select either the Talking Photo feature or the Lip Sync feature. The Talking Photo option allows you to make any image speak, while the Lip Sync option is designed for turning existing videos into talking clips. For this tutorial, we will start with the Talking Photo tool. Once you click on it, you will be taken into the complete AI Talking Avatar Creation panel, where you can build your realistic avatar from scratch. The first step is to choose your generation mode. You will see two options available. The standard mode offers more expressive motion, although the visual quality is slightly lower. The Pro mode delivers higher fidelity, realistic detail, accurate lip sync, and faster results. With Standard mode, you get around 3 free generations each day, which is great for quick tests. For this tutorial, I will select the Pro mode to get the best possible quality. Next, upload your photo or pick one from the large collection of image presets available on the platform. You will find popular celebrity faces, including Selena Gomez, the football legends Messi and Ronaldo, and many other recognizable options you can experiment with. I already have the image I want to use, so I will go ahead and upload it now. Click on Continue to move to the next step, where you will be asked to select your audio. There are 3 options available. First, you can upload a cloned voice or your own recorded voiceover. Secondly, you can use the built-in realistic text-to-speech feature by entering your script. Here, you can choose from a wide range of celebrity voices, including Elon Musk, Taylor Swift, Donald Trump, and many others. Let's preview a few so you can hear just how realistic they sound.
Focus on at Tesla is like really put all the money into and attention into trying to make the product.
I was actually at the Most Emo dinner party the other night because Brendan, Yuri, and Sarah, his amazing wife.
Now, they had to do it because they have people and they have to show strength. So they aimed the missiles, but they said, please don't attack us.
That's impressive, right? Thirdly, you also have the option to use audio presets. Let's listen to a few examples.
I'm dying in your beds many years from now. Would you be willing to trade all?
Not bad at all. For this tutorial, I will go with the upload option since I already have my voice ready. I'll simply upload it here. If you scroll down a little, you'll see where you can set the duration of your video. With this tool, you can generate a talking photo anywhere from 10 seconds up to over 500 seconds. I've tested it before, and it works flawlessly. Keep in mind, though, the longer the audio or duration, the more credits it consumes. For this demonstration, I'll set the duration to around 19 seconds. Once everything is set, click the Generate Video button. Depending on the length of your clip, it may take a few minutes. When it's ready, you will have your fully animated talking photo. Now, let's preview it.
Just a few seconds ago, I was nothing more than an AI-generated image. But now, thanks to Magic Hour AI, I can talk, move, and express myself, just like a real human. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more exciting tools and tutorials like this.
Just wow! Can you see how natural this looks, sounds, and feels? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. To save your creation, simply click the download button and it will be stored directly on your device. Now, let's move on to testing the lip sync feature. If you are not on this page, go back to the home screen and select Lip Sync. Here you have 2 options: upload a video from your device or insert a YouTube link to replicate. I'll go ahead and upload my video. Keep in mind that the duration of your AI talking avatar will match the length of your original video. For example, my clip is 8 seconds long. Click Continue to move to the next step, where you will choose your lip sync mode. There are 3 options available. For this demonstration, I'll select the Pro mode to ensure the most realistic and detailed results. Next, choose your audio source. Instead of uploading a voiceover, I'll use the text-to-speech feature. I'll paste in my script, select the Kardashian voice from the pool of other voice presets, and click Generate Audio. Once everything is ready, I'll click Generate Video, and just like that, our AI talking avatar is ready to preview.
Guys, what are you waiting for? Please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon.
How does it look? Truly impressive, right? While there may be a few minor glitches, it is still good. Click the download button to save your video. While Magic Hour AI offers plenty of free features, the platform's full potential shines when you unlock tools that require credits. Features like longer, highly accurate lip sync and advanced talking photo options become much more accessible on the Pro plans. The best part is that Magic Hour AI is one of the most affordable AI platforms currently available, and the value you get for the price is incredible. If you use the link in my description, you'll receive a huge discount plus 2 full months of free usage when you subscribe to the yearly plan. It's a perfect way to explore the platform without any pressure. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.